Welcome back. Back again. Back. October 3. How are you doing? I'm in New York. It is currently 6 p.m. and normally cook, and we're going to be set. I make them up to the bed. Game nights on at so the breakfast, some mac and cheese, and the children you hear around my house noise. This is what I'm gonna make, and we are just gonna do a cute. I 13, baby, get it. Yes, we will behind this. What? Don't you want cooking? Yes. Beach. When? To the bathroom. Go. So, garbage. Okay. Just had to wash my dishes. That was my fun. Dance and giggle. Yeah. Yeah. Day home from school. We're gonna start this Velvet. You can't clean and wipe long nails. The job you have. How do you do anything? How can you this? How can you have that to the teacher? LOL. Doesn't my mother pay for my loan? FYI, you all, but probably new here from the Himalaya. Go back a couple. Been doing this. Back in this, I had a baby now, and I do get. Does my mother pay for? She used to. My husband does. Cause my nails is like I'm getting married. I ain't gonna lie for them babies. She would not pay. She $1 for my nails. $1 for my birthday. She'll give me for my, but for my nails, no. This is a luxury. She don't for her nails. She just ain't gonna pay what I pay. She ain't gonna pay that. I give my shout. Told me to shout her out. And I said, one of my you pay $200 for my nails. That's for a light bill, gas bill, and maybe kind of. You never know. I asked my sister, bruh, the congratulations. Congrats. I know y'all don't worry. It will be posted. Drop your questions in the comments. Let me know what you want to know. Kind of long, but it's okay. Because kids get out inside. Get out, folks. Here, put this in the garbage. What you want to fill in your watch. Thank you. Yes, my son watches me because this is the routine. You know, if he's eating, he's getting ready for bed. Anyway, so on that note, that's that. Why do some of y'all be so pressed and so mad? I'm trying to find out, because when we up here showing y'all our lives and giving y'all constant creation and letting y'all in, and y'all know y'all just as goofy and quirky as us, why y'all be so mad and so pressed? We wouldn't do that. See, as a content creator, y'all be putting in some stuff in these comments that I had, and you like taking flights and taking trips. But then I have to realize, you an internet thug. I'm not an internet thug, baby. You see me in real life, it's okay to say hi, how you doing? It's okay to say I'm a subscriber. It's okay to say, hey, I love your channel. It's okay to give me all the good tea. Because I'm blessed you, bro. Because I feel you are a blessing to me if you're a genuine supporter. But all that negative stuff in my comments, oh my God, Janelle, how could you? What the? Baby, I'm an OG with this. I will be 45 on the 11th. You got to watch that video to know the real age. But, baby, don't play with me. Don't do it to yourself. Some of y'all be doing it. Y'all shouldn't be doing it. Can you step out my kitchen, sir? I know what I'm doing. This ain't my first time cooking for you. Go sit down, baby. What? What? You want some candy? All right, you're going to have to wait. Go help Shemaya. Go see what she need help with. Go help your sister. Move. Put that down. That's not yours. Waiting for the rest of these sausages to get done. Macaroni is done. Let's drain and mix it. And then dinner is done.
Oh.
Move.
What? Daddy, work.
Shh.
Daddy's work. Daddy's work. Daddy's work. We are good.